Let's understand the process of digestion. The digestion of food starts from our mouth with the production of saliva. Students, saliva is a clear watery fluid that is produced by the salivary glands in our mouth. It contains enzymes which help to break down the food. The two main parts that help us to digest the food in our mouth are teeth and tongue. The teeth, along with our tongue and saliva, mash the food to a soft, mushy pulp. The tongue rolls the moist food into a ball and pushes back the food to the back of the mouth where it is swallowed. From the mouth, the food goes into the stomach through the food pipe, which is also known as the esophagus. The walls of the stomach secretes digestive juices which help in breaking down the food for better absorption of nutrients. With the help of these digestive juices, the food in the stomach is churned into a semi-fluid mixture. This partially digested food now enters the small intestine where it is completely digested by intestinal juices. This soluble food passes into the bloodstream through the walls of the small intestine. The blood transports the nutrients of the food to different parts of the body. The remaining undigested and unabsorbed food goes into the large intestine or colon where water is absorbed from the food. It gets converted into solid waste and is excreted out of the body through the opening called anus. Hope you all learned something new. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay happy.